and my justice will be punitive. I'm a smash, night vision, they can see us through my GoPro. She tried to negotiate, I said that's a no. Now I'm creeping in her bedroom like, go. She tells me to go, then looks down and says I gotta terrorize that pussy. Gotta terrorize that pussy. So I improvise some crazy shit. SEAL Team 69, sex accused of the hit. She said you finished me off, now throw my body in the ocean. I yelled Geronimo, then took some pictures for posting. The president called, he said congratulations Connor. I said Mr. President, to what do I owe this honor? He said come give me the deets in the White House garden. I got to know how you fucked her like we fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. Sometimes well now, we... Do you think that
I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, then he's